ladies and gentlemen, Abdulai 360 here. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. 1,000! I am shocked, I am grateful, and I'm also excited for what is next. To everyone watching, whether you've been here since the first video or you just joined, all I want to say is that thank you very much and God bless you. In fact, you are the reason why I keep showing up after lectures, after group work, even when I'm tired. This channel is about students' growth by a KNUST student, and you proving that we really need this kind of content. I record most of my videos at the hostel room at night, record in the studio, also around campus, and edit in between classes. And also I stress about whether this content I'm putting out there, whether it will even help even one person. Now seeing 1,000 of you subscribe tells me that the content really has value. Guys, now that we are here, we are going bigger. Expect more student study tips at work, campus kits, exploring KNUST life, campus interviews, making better memories, and many more. I want this channel to feel like your steady friend and also your big brother on campus. And I want to hear from you. Drop in your comments and tell me what's next you want me to cover. If you have been silent, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified for subsequent content. Share this channel to your course mates and your friends and people around you, students, and let's get to 5K together. And the 1,000 of you, I see you, I appreciate you. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much for the immense love. Thank you very much for being supportive. Thank you very much for contributing towards this journey, and thank you very much for being part of the 360 family. I really appreciate your encouragement and support, and for always engaging with the content. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Peace and love from Abdulai 360. God bless you all, and you are welcome to the 360 family. See you in my next video at the corner of the screen. I love you all.